Hi Jay, let me tell you how to start your day in the housekeeping properly. That way you will be able to work more efficiently and finish your work during the day. We begin the day by attending the briefing. In the briefing, our manager will usually allot us our task. I always come into the department 5 to 10 minutes before the briefing. Once the briefing is over, we must go and collect the section key and sign for them in the key register.
If you have not watched the video on key and key control, click the link to the video on the top.
Take 5 minutes to read the general logbook. That will give you information about the in-house VIP and the special request if any. Once we have understood the hotel position, we can now update our section register with the room status. You can also collect the room status for your floor from the supervisor, so that you can plan your day. Let us go to the linen room and collect fresh linen and duster so that we can start our work. We will also collect the chemicals required to fill up our cleaning caddy.
When you go to the floor, the priority must be given to rooms with Clean My Room signs. Otherwise you must start by cleaning departure rooms.
In this lesson, I learned how to start my day in the housekeeping department on the floors. To keep learning, subscribe to the channel and watch other videos in the playlist. See you in the next video.